1, 2 times 8 plus 2 equals 9, 8, like this. It's the rule. It's the rule. It's a funny and it's the rule at the same time. It's in front of your eyes. You can see.
You can choose whatever you like.
We see
Okay,
that
you can another thing.
Okay, we
Okay,
see.
1, 9 plus 2
Explain
equals.
for us. Why did you create that? You can. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of that to show us that?
behind.
What link does it have with the presentation? What they're asking.
Okay, at the end, I'm just asking you now to detect. I'm just talking. No, I'm not going to tell you do that or believe on that.
You can give us an example.
If
person is like.
If you don't need, I will drop this.
Okay. No,
Yeah,
don't explain.
At the end of my show. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm talking about the rules. This is like the rule. Rule 1 plus 1 equals 1, 1 equals 2, 1 plus, like that. This is just the rule. That is from mathematics. And it is in front of your eyes. You can say that one is wrong, or that one is look funny, and also there is a rule. Okay? There is a rule also.
Yes.
Made by
Just,
made
By your creator.
خلاص.
okay. Look and see this. Also.
They got it.
Symmetric.
theory.
No, don't take a look.
Look at it. Isn't it the whole view?
Yes,
No, wait.
it's readable, but the problem it is we don't understand what you want to tell us. That is the main problem. You have to explain. What is that?
What is the 101%?
We are here to hear, not only to see.
Okay, my question.
Johanna's woken up.
Very good, sir.
It is just the fun.
Yeah.
Fun.
Yes, it's a fun.
Make a fun
To
of it.
cool our tension
Okay.
down.
Okay. You know?
Wait.
You are fast.
No, I'm going back to show you.
A, B, C,
It is just a fun. Someone is just funning now, using these things for fun. Okay? Now then, just knowledge equals this. As he assumed, okay? He sorted all the A, B, C, D and give A1 and B2 and something like this, and then he did this. That's okay?
Yes, of course.
Now.
You can see. Just this one more time.
You can see the
Yes. In this case, in this rule, attitude was 100%.
Attitude is 100%.
Yes. Yes, it's called 100%.
101%.
Yeah.
A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, that is why it is 1.
Yeah,
20
I
is
can go
3.
back.
Understood?
Yes,
It's
understood.
not counting A, B, C, D, it is going like
If
this.
A, B, C, D,
This one, the free.
yes, it's like this. And if represented by 1, 2, 3 up to 26. And then you choose M equals, I think, 17 and 5.
And then you set down them.
Yes, and then you count.
101.
I tell you, it's just a fun.
That's good.
Okay?
It's not fun. Thank you.
Now, attitude of 100% and love God equals 101%.
Why it's over if you want?
Say, very
One.
one. Read.
Okay?
Okay.
Finish?
Finish.
Question? You said,
The love of God will give you 101%. And you yourself as a human being, God created you to this earth. How
like this.
many percent will you give
You can do that.
To the human, your friends or anybody.
And I told you before, it's just a funny, and you can just use that. It's not for, I'm not believing even for this, but it's just a funny. They're using numbers and doing this. The rule is, this is an example. My presentation is the first one. That's the rule which are also. This is like astrologist, the second one.
Why you believe that? You believe in astrology?
No, the second one is like astrologist. You can find people like that, giving you some numbers and putting something in front of you and telling you and attracting you to believe them on this. But the first one, if you have any question, I ask you, do you believe on this?
Answered my question.
Like this. Now, these are the rules of the life. I don't know about my explanation. I'm just going to tell you about these things. If there is anything here you are not agree with, tell me. But the second thing, I'm just going to tell you, there are some people giving examples just to attract you to do something. Okay? That's the second one. He's telling that it's a funny and he's going to attract you to do something. But here, now this is a rule. If I told you that all people are from one grandfather and one grandmother. If there is one not believe on that, well, please tell me. That's the situation. We are all from one grandfather and one grandmother. And even you can say cows also share one grandfather and one grandmother. Cows and beefs, donkeys also, horses also. All these things. So the question from your mind, from where did you don't understand what I said. You don't understand.
You didn't understand. You didn't understand. The numbers you gave us, I mean, you showed us. There is the numbers, but does it have any link? Does it like calculate where we come from or?
No.
Or what? You didn't explain anything, so we didn't see the funny that you are talking about in it. Just
you don't know what I said. Even this moment you don't understand what I said. Please tell me. The second example concerning these numbers, like someone covering, okay, what he want to say or attract you to it by this funny and these numbers. So the first one is right. 1 + 1 = 2. We are all agree on that.
Yes.
But in the second he came. Okay, you can say as she said, what you give this degree, you will find something you can write here somewhere, and it may be 300%. It can be, yes, it can maybe 300% or 500%. So those are attracting you to do something or to change your culture or something like this. I'm not talking about that. This is just, I'm going to tell you what is happening behind this thing. This is the rule. Everyone cannot say this is wrong in front of you, but behind you, he didn't believe. Okay, I'm telling you, human senses are limited. Yes, it is limited. Your mind is limited, have a limit. You cannot think about the second life, what's coming there. But if you think there is a creator, one creator create all the universe, okay, you can trust on this creator. You can trust on the creator who creates you. You can trust on. So that's what you. Thank you very much for
the second one, you link it to the astrologist.
Yes.
But as you know, it's for fun. It's for fun. But as you don't believe in astrology,
yes.
Usually I'm so like this because if I don't like something, I won't get myself involved into it. Because you say you don't.
Okay, Ricardo.
What I understand from what Mohsen was doing with is, it's like, you know what an inspirational story is? It's something that may not be true, but it makes you feel good. It makes you feel like, oh man, this is great. So he began talking about numbers, the perfectiveness of numbers. Numbers are like the perfect science, right? And it's the universal language. So he goes using numbers and showing you like, to a point like art with numbers. And then he talks about giving a number to each letter and how summing up these different letters gives you a number. And then that's made up. That's not true.
Yes.
Right? You can invent anything with this.
Yes, this is what I'm
but the point is to inspire you, to see.
Yes.
knowledge will give you 90%. Hard work will give you 95%. But the love of God will give you this much. It's just an inspirational story, that's all.
That's why
That's
we are one of
That's just
That is making
You were
fun. We
supposed
are
to
also
explain
So
it.
Yeah, it's not like...
I didn't believe on this, the second one. You know, I didn't believe on that. Just to put 1 + 1 + 3 + 5, it will give you that. There are some people believing on this.
Yes.
But this is better than astrology. This is better than astrology. I don't believe on this.
Okay.
So these are the rules.
Yeah.
If you didn't agree with this, okay, you can take it.
Oh, we are doing.